Today we'll be going over instructions for assembling your stand for your outdoor enjoyment. It is important to unpack the pieces in hardware on a flat surface that will not cause scratches or other damage. The hardware for this swing stand includes 4 galvanized braces, 2 top braces, and a top beam. You will also find your instruction sheet, 16 3-inch screws, 2 3.5-inch carriage bolts, 4 2-inch carriage bolts, 2 2-inch hex bolts, and a screwdriver bit for your drill. You will also need a hammer, a box wrench, and a drill or impact for our supplied screwdriver bit. Place a 3.5-inch carriage bolt through one leg in the top beam. Use a 5/16 flange nut to secure it. This should only be hand tightened for now. We will secure it with a wrench later. Next, we will take 2 2-inch carriage bolts in our hammer and carefully tap them into the leg. Now, we will need a 2-inch hex head machine bolt and 2 galvanized braces. Connect the first brace to one side of the top beam. And the second brace to the other side. We can then secure it with a 1/4-inch flange nut. Next, we will connect the braces to the 2-inch carriage bolts we placed earlier. These should be secured with a flange nut. Next, we will need some 3-inch screws, a top brace, and a drill or impact fitted with our drill bit. Place the top brace evenly between the 2 legs and secure it with 2 3-inch screws on each side. Now, we are ready to install our bottom brace. Again, place it evenly between the 2 legs and secure it with 2 3-inch screws on each side. For proper alignment, the brace should just cover the pre-drilled hole on the leg. Next, we will use our 1/2-inch box wrench to securely tighten the flange nuts on the stand. Repeat the same steps for the other side. Then your swing stand will be ready to be taken outside. Find the perfect spot for your swing. Then, relax, and enjoy.